Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Hyundai Elantra SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai is a great value with less than 12,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.